Up first this evening, Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna has signalled her intention to resign from representational politics after 15 years of service. In a letter to opposition leader and President of the People's National Party, Mark Golding, this afternoon, Ms. Hanna said she will not be offering herself as a candidate for the PNP in the next general election. Kelisha Williams has our story.
The statement with the subject, Lisa Hanna leaving representational politics, sent shockwaves throughout the country Tuesday afternoon. It said Lisa Hanna has signaled her intention to leave representational politics and has advised the opposition leader and president of the People's National Party, PNP, Mark Golding, that she will not be offering herself as candidate for the PNP when the next general election is called. The statement also said that a resignation letter was sent to Mr. Golding. The St. Anne Southeastern Member of Parliament stressed that the early notice of her resignation will give constituency delegates enough time to select a new candidate, which is their constitutional right. She has served as MP since 2007 and retained the seat by a narrow 32 votes in 2020 when the JLP secured a landslide victory in the general election. As for her role as opposition spokesperson on foreign affairs and foreign trade, Ms. Hanna told Mr. Golding that she remains available to serve at his consideration. She also used the opportunity to reflect on her life in politics over the past 15 years. She said, "I have found this experience quite satisfying. It allowed me the privilege to serve as an elected member of parliament, cabinet minister on the national scene, and at the party level as regional chairman and treasurer." In 2020, Ms. Hanna failed in her bid to become president of the People's National Party. Now, her notice of resignation came 24 hours after this video was posted on her social media page. In that video, she expressed gratitude to former Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, who invited her to join the PNP.
I was reflecting recently on some of the best advice that she gave me, and one of the best pieces of advice she gave me when I was walking to Parliament for the first time was, like a girl, don't make them see a ball. Don't give them the credit, don't give them the satisfaction to know that they have unraveled you. Remember that, and I will never forget that.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.